with all those tools, now there's a solution that adapts to all sizes and needs. Can't loosen those hard-to-budge worn screws? Our system makes it so easy. Do you have plumbing problems you can't fix because you don't have the right tool? Look how easy you can do repairs with just one simple hand movement. Introducing Snap & Grip, the innovative system made up of 2 universal wrenches that adapt to all your needs. Combining the firm grip of the box-end wrench with the ease of access of an open-end wrench. To do everything you can do with Snap & Grip wrenches, you'd have to buy whole sets of wrenches of different sizes and measures and spend a lot of money. And you'd have to carry them around with you wherever you go, and they can be heavy. But with Snap & Grip, that's not necessary. You only need 2 universal wrenches that are light and fit perfectly on your work belt. The technology of Snap & Grip is based on putting pressure on 3 key areas at the same time, providing a very firm, safe, stable grip. The small Snap & Grip wrench with 2 wrench heads is perfect. The small head is ideal for sizes from 8mm to 14mm. The medium head adapts perfectly to sizes ranging from 16 to 22mm. And the large wrench can be used on bolts from 24mm to very large bolts of up to 32mm. The secret is the self-gripping technology, which automatically adapts to the size and shape of nuts and bolts, regardless of whether they're round, hexagonal, square, or even pipes. And regardless of the measuring system used, Snap & Grip can handle them all. You can use it as a ratchet wrench just by moving the handle back and forward repeatedly, which will make your job seem effortless.
The extra heavy-duty DXL 3810 stepladder from DeWalt is guaranteed tough. With a duty rating of 500 pounds, it comes in 6 or 8 foot sizes. It features a heavy-duty aluminum top with magnet and tool slots for increased productivity. Wraparound internal spreaders for greater durability and protection when transporting the ladder. A 25% larger step surface increases comfort and safety when standing for long periods and is cross-treaded for greater traction. The double rivet construction prolongs ladder life, and the heavy aluminum gussets increase ladder stiffness and durability. An impact absorption system helps prevent damage to bottom rails and steps. And a slip-resistant heavy-duty boot protects the rail and with large rubber tread can be used on many graded surfaces. The DXL 3810 stepladder from DeWalt. Guaranteed tough.
One tool will single-handedly change the way you measure. The new 2-in-1 laser tape measure from General Tools. Measuring with 2 hands and 2 people is too much trouble. With the push of a button, the laser precisely measures up to 50 feet with 1 hand, and the tape handles all your smaller measurements. The laser tape measure from General Tools. So you can measure everything faster.
Hi, I'm Roger Berard, creator and founder of Vito Pro Pack Tool Bags, and I'd like to introduce our new bag called the Tech XL. A little over a year ago, we developed the Tech LC, and this is for technicians. We got a lot of requests for a bag that would hold their meters, and so we need to design larger pockets. And so with this, on the front we have 3 rows of vertical tool pockets for all their hand tools on this side, and then on the back side the larger pockets made out of neoprene to accommodate their meters and testers. So a little bit larger, more capacity on the back side there. Got some more feedback about guys. Open it up here, and as you can see, it holds a lot of hand tools. There's a variety of screwdrivers, channel locks, wrenches, torpedo levels, a lot of stuff there. And we got all these smaller bit pockets down along the front here too.
Quick and easy directions for the emery edger. Using these screws, make sure the edger unit is attached very securely to the paintbrush, and make sure the tips of the bristles are always flush with the tip of the shield. Make sure there is always a significant gap between the two shields, and this is accomplished by simply flexing this second shield in an outward motion. Okay, now we'll begin painting. Every time you need to reload the bristles, just use those thumb tabs that you see there to open and close the shield. It's very simple. Each time you paint a small section, make sure you load quite a bit of paint on those bristles in order to get sufficient coverage. It's also very important to hold the brush at a severe angle when applying the paint. As you can see, those two screws should almost be scraping the wall. And then lastly, take note of how I'm holding the brush at the base of the brush, just like a pencil, and just hold it very lightly for maximum control. And now we'll show you a close-up so you can see how accurate of an edge this is.